Alright guys, so we have a microwave here. This is the GE Cafe. The profile also will have similar features as this one. And the issue with this, when you have it on the microwave option, you will get an error. It will say sensor error. Now the other functions will work, but the popcorn and I guess the options that have to do with steam will not work. So that's the gas sensor or moisture sensor. And when you do a lot of heavy foods and whatnot, you could cause it to go bad. Angle wasn't the best, but pretty straightforward repair. You have 2 screws up top. You slide the panel to the left. Order the sensor. And all you do is line up the sensor holes. Sorry about the angle here. But pretty straightforward. You squeeze 2 tabs. You remove the old sensor. And just remove the sensor from the housing. And insert the new sensor. Slide the housing back into its place. Make sure the unit is unplugged, obviously. And pretty straightforward. I was trying to get a better angle here, but not sure why the phone was not focusing. But so those points, there's a lot of points on that sensor. And when you look at the harness, it will have 2 holes and they're pretty distinct. But I think it goes only one way, so you pretty much can't mess it up. Just line it up and insert it into the harness. I'll show it to you shortly. You will need a ladder, of course, to stand on. You do not need to remove the microwave from its bracket or housing. None of that is necessary. And the profile and the cafe are identical units. You just have the badge. That is all it is. And the handles are different. Here's a little better angle here. And those 2 black tabs are what you squeeze to pull it out and also insert it. Pretty straightforward. That's it. Looks good. And you can test it without the cover just to make sure that your connections are good and the unit is functioning. And we're putting in popcorn now, and you will see shortly. Alright guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it. The end of the video. You will have 2 screws up top to put the bracket or the cover back on, and that's going to cover that. So shortly you'll see it popping, everything worked fine. So if you have a problem with yours, just replace the sensor. Of course, make sure the unit is unplugged while you do any repairs. Alright, thanks for watching. So they do cycles back and forth so they to get the dirty water out. Hey, we're popping. Beautiful. You can have popcorn. Wish I could have some. Well, I don't say I wish I could. Stay away from carbs myself. Really? Good for you. So far, it's not helping very well. So this is how I tell people I never did drugs. I never got into it. Just not my thing. Right. So once my mind and my understanding of something is bad, I can't. Like I just can't. Like I can. It's weird. It just went blank. Yeah, that's even better. You showed popping. So. What do you mean made popcorn? Huh? You sound surprised. Like, you know, this everything. I'm like, what else is gonna go wrong? Rest assured. The last customer said, listen, imagine this is a bad relationship, and he treated you badly. Now I'm here. Set my whole system, and yeah, I can't blame my chubbiness on my 30-year-old daughter either. You know, so a lot of times, you know, like my wife, she had a